Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Avengers TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm John Bafana, my brother kama wanu phuma kuphi?
Mina ngumthizozo nguthiza ngibuya eJozi, eKathoras, eBoys, eForce. I travel 10,000 k's ukuza la yabo. Shapa mina ngikhosi mina yabo. Uzwile mina makhuluma Tibo. Mina ngithi ku World Cup. Sizohamba nge442. Sibuye sikwazi defender City 433. Si attack ukuthi manje ama player chiefs umadala shiye bani. Hayi look. Sisayakho. Khona right Homa Rifle. Kuzoba khona. Kuzobe kunani? Kuzobe kune paper 2. Singayibheki manje. Mara, masifika le. Sizobona ama player chiefs. Singabheki manje.
Khosi, ama player chiefs azoba khona ku AFCON.
Izinto zachi yabo but khona bakhona manje bazosala uyazi the baby what you go boss uyazi the baby what you go boss uzuzo uzobedla ama team echi azabamlo kamnandi nohulu watch the space
ubani man of the match
bana yazi
Master Chef
Edube se ola
ubule Master Chef
ubheke kamnandi uyapheka maboneke umona phansi jobicho
umuntu udlala njengovila kahle.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?